Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting and life-changing topics out there: passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep, travel, or pursue your passions. Sounds pretty great, right? Well, it's possible. In this video, we'll explore 7 proven ways to generate passive income, break them down, and help you find the right one for you. Ready to unlock your financial freedom? Let's get started. First up is real estate, one of the oldest and most reliable ways to build wealth. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Real estate isn't exactly passive. It takes money, time, and sometimes dealing with tenants. And you know what? You're not wrong. It's not as simple as collecting rent checks every month, but that's why I'm here to break it down for you. Real estate offers tangible assets, something concrete you can leverage. The most traditional way is buying rental properties. You become a landlord, collect rent, and watch your property value appreciate over time. Property management companies can handle day-to-day tasks for a fee. You can start small, maybe with a duplex or a single-family home. Treat real estate like a business. Do your research, understand the market, and crunch the numbers. Look for properties with good cash flow potential and be realistic about your return on investment. Remember, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, it's a long-term strategy. Let's face it, not everyone is cut out to be a landlord, and that's perfectly fine. One of my personal favorites is dividend stocks. I'm not talking about day trading or trying to time the market. I'm talking about investing in solid, well-established companies that pay their shareholders a portion of their profits regularly. Think of it like this: you become a part owner of the company, and as a part owner, you're entitled to a share of the pie. The beauty of dividend stocks is that you don't have to lift a finger to earn that income. You buy the stock, hold on to it, and those dividend payments will land in your account like clockwork. There's always a level of risk involved in any investment, but that's where diversification comes in. Spread your investments across a variety of different stocks, industries, and even asset classes. Look for companies with a solid track record of profitability and dividend payments. Investing in dividend stocks is a long-term game. If you're patient and consistent, those dividends can add up over time, providing you with a steady stream of passive income. All right, let's move on to something a little different: peer-to-peer lending. It's actually a pretty simple concept. Imagine cutting out the middleman, the big banks, and lending money directly to individuals or small businesses in exchange for interest payments. Platforms like Lending Club and Prosper connect borrowers with investors like you. With higher potential returns comes higher risk. There's always the possibility that a borrower might default on their loan. Instead of lending a large sum of money to a single borrower, spread your investments across multiple loans. Research different platforms, understand their fee structures, and carefully evaluate the risk profiles of potential borrowers. Look at their credit scores, debt-to-income ratios, and the purpose of the loan. Start small and gradually increase your investment as you become more comfortable with the platform and the process. Peer-to-peer lending can be a great way to diversify your portfolio and potentially boost your returns. Blogs and YouTube, your passion, your income. So far, we've covered investments that primarily involve your money. But what if you could leverage your skills, your passions, and your creativity to generate passive income? That's where creating a blog or a YouTube channel comes in. Starting a blog or a YouTube channel takes a lot of work. It's not as simple as hitting record and watching the money roll in. It takes time, effort, and consistency to build an audience and monetize your content. But once you've put in the initial work, your content can continue to generate income for months, even years down the line. So, how do you actually make money from a blog or YouTube channel? Advertising revenue, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. Find your niche, be authentic, and be consistent with your posting schedule. Experiment with different content formats, collaborate with other creators, and engage with your audience in the comments section. Building a successful blog or YouTube channel takes time and effort, but the rewards can be incredibly fulfilling. That's the power of passive income. Index funds and ETFs? Keep it simple. Keep it growing. Let's shift gears back to the world of investing, but this time, We're going to keep things super simple and hands-off. I'm talking about index funds and ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. These investment vehicles are like the superheroes of passive investing. They're designed to track a specific market index, like the S&P 500 or the Dow Jones Industrial Average. They provide instant diversification and exposure to a broad range of stocks or bonds. Index funds and ETFs take the guesswork out of investing. You don't need to spend hours researching individual stocks or trying to time the market. You simply choose a fund that aligns with your investment goals, invest your money, and let it ride. Because index funds and ETFs are passively managed, they typically have much lower fees than actively managed funds. Lower fees mean more money in your pocket over the long run. You can invest in them through most online brokerage accounts with as little as a few dollars. No need for a financial advisor or a complicated investment strategy. Just set it and forget it. Digital products. Your knowledge, your income stream. Let's talk about creating and selling digital products. When I say digital products, I'm talking about anything you can create once and sell over and over again without having to restock inventory or ship physical goods. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, music, software, and the list goes on. Digital products have the potential to generate passive income 24/7. Once you've created the product and set up the sales funnel, it can continue to generate revenue while you sleep, travel, or work on your next big project. You don't need to be a coding genius or a Photoshop pro to create valuable digital products. Think about your skills, your knowledge, and your passions. What can you teach others? What problems can you help them solve? Build an online presence, engage with your audience, and utilize various marketing strategies to drive traffic to your sales page. Offer exceptional customer service to ensure your customers are satisfied with their purchase. Robo Advisors Investing Made Easy. Let's wrap things up with a passive investing option that's perfect for those who prefer a completely hands-off approach. Robo Advisors. Think of them as your personal investing assistants, powered by sophisticated algorithms and artificial intelligence. Platforms like Betterment, Wealthfront, and Acorns have revolutionized the investing world by making it easier and more affordable than ever to invest your money wisely. You sign up for an account, answer a few questions about your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon, and the robo-advisor takes care of the rest. It automatically builds and manages a diversified portfolio of investments tailored to your specific needs and risk profile. The robo-advisor does it all for you, charging a small fraction of the fees typically associated with traditional financial advisors. Many robo-advisors offer additional features like tax loss harvesting, goal-setting tools, and even access to human financial advisors for those who want a little extra guidance. So, there you have it, 7 different ways to earn passive income. Each has its pros and cons, and the best one depends on your personal goals, risk tolerance, and the time you're willing to invest upfront. Which one do you think suits you best? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tips on financial freedom. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Get